Hello and welcome back to How Not to Wash Dishes. Step 1, of course, is to put on your One Punch Man gloves because the water is hot. Step 2 is to check out your Japanese bowl with lots of food on it that I have not eaten and I might eat eventually. Kanji that I can't read and some hiragana that I can, so that's convenient. Here is some more, so definitely feel free to pause the video and check all that out. Moving right along, we're washing some more bowls so we can eat cereal. Now it's time for the Tupperware, some measuring utensils, and then more Tupperware. Always important to store things like sandwiches on the go and various meals throughout the week. Then we did some baking, some plates, and then this pan is what I used to bake chicken the other day, and we've got lots of silverware. I don't know why I have so much silverware, but here it is. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my refrigerator magnets, and at the end, peep this comfy rug that I stood on while washing dishes for an hour.